In this tutorial, we will be discussing swap in and swap out. This is found in your Index Parkway IVIS user manual. This will discuss how to include or archive old reports in your database record. Swap in and swap out. The default strategy for database archives defines how big a database record file may grow before old record entries are zipped and swapped out automatically. This improves database performance and report generation speed. The default strategy is file size per database record is 1 GB. Weekly swap out of older files. 10 database record files in the database folder. This means that by default, the archive database comprises data of the last 10 weeks equal to 10 files with a max size of 1 GB each. All older data is compressed and swapped out. The default values can be changed upon request by Index via remote login, in case remote login is provided. In the swap in, swap out window, you can identify database records via their file name. For example, default strategy 2011-0612_000.zip means that this record contains data from the data and time mentioned in the file name until the next data record. There are two types of database records that can be swapped in or out. Default strategy, required for statistical reports. Default summary strategy, required for playback, sensor history, and the sensor occupation rate. Swapped out database records will not be processed by these features. Swap in. In IVIS, you can swap in old database records if you want to make a report about time that is not covered by the active database. Click on the Swap in, Swap out button found here. You will see the list of swapped out database records in the Swapped Out window. Click on the data records that you want to swap in for a report. Click on Swap in down below. It will take some time until the data records are swapped in. The records are now available for report generation. Note that after generating your historical report, please swap out all data records you do not need anymore. This will improve the active database's performance. To swap out. Swap out the records if you do not need them to be active anymore. Click on the Swap in, Swap out button found here. You will see the list of swapped in database records in the Swapped in window. Click on the data records you want to swap out. Click on Swap out found below. The data records are no longer available for report generation. This concludes this video. Thank you for watching this short tutorial. For more information on how to use your Index Parkway IVIS user manual, please feel free to watch more videos on our exclusive YouTube channel.